Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in this session we will be doing chapter number 9, boxes and sketches, page number 130. The topic is practice time. So you can see in the screen that question state that look at the floor map of a house, make doors and windows on the deep drawing of this house. Are there any windows you could not see on the deep drawing? Circle them on the floor map. So here what we have to do, in the previous class we have done this floor map many a time. So taking the concept of that, we have to form a house based on the floor map. Okay, so looking at this floor map, what you have to do, you have to say where is door residing, where is windows, looking at the floor map. Okay, so here is the floor map. So in floor map, in this two side, that is on the right side and the left hand side, you can see the window. So your question is, make doors and windows on the deep drawing. So here we have the deep drawing and this is the floor map. Okay, so let us draw it. So this is our door here and windows will be over here, which we will not be able to draw, but this windows can be drawn over here. So this will be the window over here, and even this window can be made over here like this. Okay, but this windows cannot be made as because this is facing this side and we will not be able to draw a window. So your question is, are there any windows you could not show on the deep drawing? Yes. So we will write yes, we could not draw. Now you have to mention which side windows you could not draw. So this is left side of the deep drawing, right? So we could not draw left side of the house. We could not draw windows on the left side of the house. Okay, now you have to circle them on the floor map. So let us circle it. This is one of the windows, we could not prepare it in the deep drawing. Similarly, this is another window which we cannot prepare in the deep drawing, right? So this is very simple here we have. Let us proceed now to the next sum, that is which is in page number 130 only. The topic is a deep drawing of a cube. So question state that Soumitra and his friends made deep drawing of a cube. So these are the various deep drawings of the cube which was prepared by Soumitra. These are their drawings. Number one, now your question is, which of the drawings look correct to you? Discuss. Can you add some lines to make drawing number F into a deep drawings of the cube? So among all this one, which one do you think is actually or absolutely getting matched with the cube? So cube, you all know, cubes look like this. So the actual appearance of the cube is this. So let me prepare this in more detailed manner. So here is the cube. Okay, so here are the cube which is having 6 faces. I've already discussed about this. Now among this figure, you have to say which one is actually getting matched with the cube. So number D, I think, number E, right? So number D, E look correct to me, right? So number D and E is actually getting matched with the deep drawing of the cube. Now one more question is also left out there, that is, can you add some lines to the drawing? Okay, in this drawing, is there any such figure in number F, that is we can add some more lines and we can form a cube? Yes, in number F. So this is the number F. Let me draw it over here. So this is the plane which is in the base. So if I make a straight line over here and if I add some more line, yes, it is possible to form a cube. So we will write yes, we can add some lines to make cube in deep drawing of F, isn't it? So it's very simple, very logical thing we are doing here. So we all got the concept, clear-cut concept of cuboid, right? So let us now proceed to the next question, which is in page number 131, whose topic is puzzle. So there is one cube figure, that is the Ludo figure, is given to you all. You have to just verify it. Number one, which of these are the correct deep drawing of that cube? So in order to solve this problem, I'll be showing you the die here which I have made. Okay, so the upper portion, which is showing the face of dot 2.2, and on the left side of it is represented as 3 in your figure also, as you can see. And in the right side of the face, it's right side of this 3, you can see the point 1 face, right? So point A is actually the correct option here. Let us go for whether B is correct option or not. So in order to prove option B correct, so 1 is at the top side, and on the right side we have, number 3 point here, 3 point here, and here it is 5. But in the figure, if you go through, there is 0.2, right? Or if you go through this like this, 0.2 is on the left side, but in the figure, in your book, it is in the left side, and 3 is in the right side, and 3 is on the left side. But here in the die it is totally opposite, so number B is absolutely wrong. Okay, it is totally wrong, it is not getting matched. Okay, so let us proceed to the next point, that is the face 6 facing the upward position, and 5 is on the left side, and dot 3 is on the right side, isn't it? So these are even not matching. Have a look in your figure. If you try to match it, they are not getting matched, isn't it? So figure, the point 6 having above is having 5 on the left side, it's okay, fine, but on the right hand side there is 0.3, not 2. Okay, so this is also incorrect. Let us proceed to the point figure D. Have a look. In figure D, having 4 as the facing upward, 1 is on the left side and 5 is on the right side. Yes, this is absolutely getting matched with the figure given in the book. Okay, so number E, we have number E, 6 at the top. Again, 6 at the top. So 6 at the top, and if 6 at the top and 3 is at the left side and 2 is at the right side, so this is also getting matched. So figure number A, D, E are matching, so we can say that. All right, let us write A, D and E are matching. So A, D and E are the correct deep drawings of that cube. Okay, so this is a very simple thing. I hope you understood this. All right, proceeding to the next topic, that is in page number 131. The topic is a simple way to draw a cube. Now Chanda wants to make a deep drawing of this cube. She draws the cube like this. So this is the way in which Chanda is actually showing us to form a cube using a deep drawing. Okay, now I drew 2 squares like this to show the front face and back face. So she is drawing the front face like this, and the another face, that is the back face, like this. Now I join the corners, these corners. She is joining these 2 corners like this, and she is able to get a cube here. She is able to form a cube, and this is naturally a best way to draw a cube or a cuboid. Okay, now your question comes, in the same way, make a deep drawing of a box which look like this, Okay, so this is, what is the name of the shape? The name of the shape is 3D geometrical shape called cuboid. Okay, so in order to form a cuboid, what we will use the same logic, same concept of the Chanda, which Chanda has drawn to form a cube. So front face first, back face, then join the corners. Yes, we got the same shape, that is called cuboid. So I'm going to show you another method also. Just have a look. This is another way of drawing. Okay, but the perfect way in which you are going to get the perfect cuboid will be of figure number A. So this one you will be trying in your copy, you will be doing in your copy. Alright, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.